It's a perfect situation to make musical sounds.
I am doing a wall hanging quilt. I pieced it, you may have seen it hanging on my design walls, and I'm now quilting it up, and so I thought I'd show you a beginner long arm quilting. This is a bit I did earlier, and the top end there is what you've just seen me do. Oops. It won't go in anymore. Won't zoom in anymore. But that's what you've just seen me do, which is the same as the bit that I did earlier. And you can see I've just done a feather that looks as though it's going to go behind, and there'll be another one on the other side of this. It's a wall hanging, and I've just scribble stitch, stipple, whatever you want to call it, to help flatten it down so that some of this, oh, that's a bit of cotton, some of this star, wheel, whatever you want to call it, that'll stand out because it's not quilted. The feathers are quilted, but not as densely as the background. So you can see it pulls all the wadding batting in, so the feather shows up more. I'm still not brilliant on feathers on the long arm, but to get better at them I've got to practice, and that's what I did on the domestic machine, and now I can do them feathers upside down every way round you want, but on the long arm they are more difficult to do. But I thought I'd just show you what I'm up to at the moment. Another thing that I'm up to is I found from my stash this panel that I'm thinking of making into a quilt. So I pulled out different colours and patterns and designs to see what I like to go with it. and I think it's living on here, so whenever I'm in my sewing room, I'll look at it and inspiration might come to me. Because I think I've decided to put a big border in this cotton batik butterflies. It's got butterflies on like they're all around her head, and putting a big border sides, top and bottom, and have patchwork cornerstones. As yet I don't know what pattern I'm going to do for the cornerstones, and sorry, and what colour I'm going to do for the cornerstones. So it's living there while I'm doing this quilting, and possibly a bit longer than that until inspiration hits me. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.